I'm at IHOP today. I'm trying the Dubai pancakes. I'm trying it so you don't have to. Well, maybe you're gonna have to. Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're at IHOP and guess what I'm trying? The Dubai. Let me show it to you on the paper so you can see what it looks like. Dubai chocolate pancakes. I couldn't wait to try these. Okay, so as you can see, it has pistachios on top, chocolate drizzle, and pistachio sauce with a little whipped cream, and the katifi pieces right here. I was kind of disappointed a little bit because I really wanted the katifi to be mixed inside the pistachio sauce. But let's try it. Currently in IHOP in Dartmouth. This is the Dartmouth location in Massachusetts. All right, let's try it out. Oh, look it, guys. Okay, so it has chocolate in the middle. It smells so good once I cut it open. Those are fucking fire. Look at the inside. Let me put this down so you guys can see. Look at the inside. It's filled with chocolate. I would say this is a 10 out of 10. I would get it again. This is delicious. I'm gonna do one more bite for you guys. Yum. I didn't expect it to be this good. I kind of was like, Dubai, IHOP. It has like chocolate chip pieces inside of it too that I didn't realize. Do you see it? The chocolate chip pieces with the chocolate chip drizzle. It tastes chocolatey. The pancakes are buttery. The pistachio, the little katifi pieces. For some reason, I'm getting a little bit of coconut. I don't know where that's from. What I didn't realize is that I didn't try none with the syrup, so let me try it with the syrup. It's not giving Dubai like Dubai, how it's mixed with the katifi, but it is delicious. Like the flavors are delicious. It's not giving me a strong Dubai. I just would really want the katifi pieces to be mixed into the pistachio so I can get that crunch Dubai feeling. So let's put some syrup on top. Let's try it. Okay. With the syrup, it's giving right a 9 and 10. But look. Daughter just handed me the strawberry syrup. Why not? We're here. Put the strawberry syrup. Ooh, let's try it. Okay. We want to get some of that on top. Ooh, let's get some of the chocolate on top. Let's get us a good bite. Okay. Ooh, it's drippy. Oh my god. I should have tried the strawberry from the very beginning. It's giving strawberry chocolate Dubai. Get it.